Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my video. Welcome to my YouTube channel today. Today's video, we're going to talk about how you can use your current job to go ahead and build your affiliate marketing business or your online business. So you want to pay a close attention to this message because I think it can help you, especially if you have a full-time or a part-time job. If this is your first time hit this channel, hit the red subscribe button and don't forget that notification bell when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day, and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is. It's time to go ahead and talk about this awesome topic about how you can use your current job to go ahead and fund your online business or your affiliate marketing business. Now, when it comes to jobs, and I do understand you want to fire your boss, you want to go ahead and leave that job, especially if it's a hard job, if it's draining you mentally, physically, emotionally. Yes, definitely the key is if you want to go ahead and fire your boss and go ahead and leave that job, especially if it's draining you. But the other side of the coin is that you can use the resources in terms of any extra income, or you can actually use some of the job training to go ahead and help your affiliate marketing business or your online business. So let's say that basically you're making $1,000 every 2 weeks. All right, so that's $2,000 a month. You can literally say, I'm going to go ahead and start investing into my business, invest into my intellectual capital, maybe $100 or $200 every week to go ahead and start building that business. So you can start like a YouTube channel, which doesn't cost anything, and you can go ahead and start doing videos. You can start researching videos. And then when you got a niche, so let's say you have a niche, which is affiliate marketing, make money from home, you can go ahead and start using some of those profits from your job or extra money from your job, invest that into coaching or mentorship to go ahead and learn how to do a YouTube channel properly, or use that money to go ahead and invest into a business that's going to teach you the skill set. They're going to help you leave that job one day. So a lot of times we come online here and we instantly want to go ahead and fire the boss, but we don't understand we need to learn a skill set to be able to do that, to make money online, because that's probably why you go ahead and join online. That's one reason why it brought me to go online, because I wanted to make money from home, fire the boss, all that jazz, but I needed to go ahead and get proper skill sets to do that. So I'm going to tell you this right now. So if you're in customer service, that's going to help out your online business, especially if you're dealing with customers, because you need customers to build a business anyway, so that's going to help you with that. Let's say you may have to learn how to really budget your money a little bit better. That way you can take a little bit of that money to invest into your business. That's number two. So the first thing, use any skills from a job to go and help that online business or offline business, whatever business you're trying to do, affiliate marketing, especially because you're dealing with, you need to have money to invest in your business. Number two, use the job training. Use some of the skill sets from that job to go ahead and help with that business. So if you get, like, customer service is one of the top things that most people do in any type of business, because you're gonna be dealing with some type of customers, obviously. So you can use those skill set to go ahead and use towards that. Let's think about this. Let's say you have a job that you do a lot of writing, reports, things like that. That can help your online business, especially if it's email marketing or just budgeting out your online business statements. So let's say you're used to doing that. So think about things that you're doing in your job that can help that online business in terms of like certain skill set. That's going to help out long run. Because remember, the goal is to leave the full-time job, to leave the part-time job long term. But we got to use whatever we can use from that job. If it's money to invest, if it's any type of job-related skill sets, we can use it towards the online business, and then go ahead and invest in someone that's going to help you grow that online business. And there's a couple of things you can do. Invest in coaching mentorship, like I discussed before. Invest in the right system that's going to leverage your results, going to automate your business. You're going to teach you how to automate your business. Going to teach you how to leverage your business. That way, you're still working, but your business is running. You're getting leads, you're getting sales, you're getting traction in your business, and that's what you want. You want that business growing while you're at that job. I know you want to leave that job, you want to fire the boss, but you got to have a plan. You got to stay the course, and you got to believe that's going to happen. So yes, how to basically use your job to fund and help your online business, well, that's what you got to do. Use your job training, use any money you can invest to it. Even got to get a second job. You even got to get a second job to help out the online business. If that's what you got to do, that's what you got to do. Now, if you're stuck and struggling, and let's say you already have, you got a full-time job and you don't have the right system in place, click on the link below. I do have a system in place that you can invest in terms of your time and your efforts to learn a skill set. You can learn a skill set to grow an online business. Right below this video, I have a link for you to go ahead and check out. I want you to check it out because it's an unbelievable opportunity that teaches you how to grow an online business. Teach you the skill set, mindset, marketing, business savvy, creating your own funnels, things like that. This opportunity will go ahead and help you. Click on that link below to go ahead and get that system going while you're working at your full-time job. Because remember, the key thing is leaving that full-time job onto an online business of sorts, but you need the skill set. That's why you need to click on the link below to go ahead and get started. It's my #1 recommendation to make money online and to start your online business. And I'll see you on the inside. I see you tomorrow, right? I can't wait to see you tomorrow. We're gonna have an awesome topic tomorrow. But don't forget, click on the link below to get started, and I'll see you on the inside. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the inside.